meeting, and this three-dimensional angle is called the solid angle. Okay. Solid angle can also be defined as the three-dimensional angle subtended by the spherical section at its center of curvature. Let us make a spherical section here. You can observe S is the spherical section of radius capital R, and you can observe here this is looking just like the cone, and you can observe this is the solid angle subtended by this spherical section. We denote this solid angle by a Greek letter called omega. This is the omega. Okay. Now let us learn how to find the solid angle of a surface at a given point. Let us take a plane surface or disk D. Let us find the solid angle subtended by this disk at point O. O point is here. To find the solid angle, what we do, we join this point O to the all point of the periphery of the surface of the disk. Okay, like this. You can observe what we done. We have joined each and every point of the periphery of the disk by the point O. We can observe here this is making a conical section. Okay, you can observe this gives the cone with the vertex at O. Correct? Now, by taking center at O, we can draw the several spherical section of different radius. Let us make a section, first section here. Let this is the section S1 and S2, and this section is having the radius R1, and this is R2. Let us number it as S1 and this is S2. Okay. Let the area of this section is S1 and S2, which we named the spherical surface. Here S1 and S2, also the area of the spherical section. Correct? It is found the ratio of the area of any spherical section intercepted by the cone to the square of the radius of the sphere is constant. That means S1 divided by R1 square, S2 divided by R2 square is constant everywhere, and this constant is called the solid angle. Okay. We denote this solid angle by the Greek letter omega. Now we can write this solid angle omega equal to S1 divided by R1 square, and it is also equal to S2 divided by R2 square. We know this S1 is having dimensional formula L square, and R square is also having the dimensional formula L square. So this solid angle is a dimensionless physical quantity, and SI unit of this is स्टेरेडियन. हम लोग यहाँ पे इसकी यूनिट को स्टेरेडियन कहते हैं. तो अब हम लोग यहाँ पे किसी भी सरफेस का किसी गिवन पॉइंट पे सॉलिड एंगल को डिफाइन कर सकते हैं. कैसे? स्फेरिकल सेक्शन का एरिया डिवाइडेड बाय रेडियस स्क्वायर. सपोज this plane surface is not perpendicular to the axis of the cone. You can observe this is this making a cone whose axis is perpendicular to the disk D. If we have certain case where the surface is not normal to the axis of cone, let us find how to define the solid angle. Let us take a small area